When it comes to finding a great land deal here in Enugu, what really matters to you? Do you need a land free from government interference, encumbrance, family or community conflicts? 2. A fully secured estate land with perimeter fencing and a gated entrance, providing you with an added layer of security. Number 3. Do you need your plot in strategic locations, a land located in a rapidly developing area with easy access to key roads and key landmarks, all right, and a lot of infrastructures and development that is coming up in that area. Number 4, what is your ideal topography? A beautiful ready to build land that does not require extensive groundwork like sand filling or major leveling. Number 5 is a flexible payment plan. Now, do you need a land that helps you enjoy the ease of an installment payment plan to make your ownership or ownership of that property more flexible and accessible for you? All this I have listed and mentioned for you makes a great land deal here in Enugu State. And guess what? With Ugwogo Estate, you get all these advantages rolled into one. This property is certainly one of the best deals you can get right now in Enugu State today. Now, Ugwogo Estate is located in Ugwogo Nike off Enugu-Nsukka Expressway, just 5 minutes away from Ugwogo Nike Roundabout and 3 minutes drive from the Ugwogo Nike International Market. Now, a plot of land here is measuring 500 square meters and it is currently selling for 5 million naira. Now, you get your deed of assignment, power of attorney, and your registered survey, which is all included in this 5 million naira you are going to pay. Like I said, this estate is already well gated and fenced with beacons on ground, which means that you can start building immediately. You can fence your own plot immediately. And this estate is already registered in the Ministry of Lands, so your property is well safe and secure with us. Alright, so if you're ready to invest in Enugu's top property deal here in Ugwogo Nike, then call or send me a message on WhatsApp for your free inspection and to secure your plots today right here in Ugwogo Nike. Make sure you do not miss out on this amazing opportunity because the price will be going up very soon. Now, this land has 100% return on investment within a short period of time. Ugwogo Estate is selling for 1.5 million naira around the ending of 2022, and today it is currently selling for 5 million naira, and it has already been fenced and gated. The developers of this estate are not playing at all. They want to make sure that this estate is going to be an exclusive estate in Ugwogo Nike today. So make sure you don't miss out on this so that you can make massive return on investment. Once infrastructures and development start coming into this location, which is already doing right now, it is an investment you will never regret. So make sure you call me right now to secure this plot right here in Enugu State and in Ugwogo Nike. Happy investing and see you on the next one. Bye.